Do it again. Do it again.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 not bad.
Morning guys, welcome day 3 in Colombo. So that means today I'm going back to Bangkok. And right now it's around 7 in the morning. I'm walking alongside the railway and the beach because I saw some really nice view this morning when I woke up in my room. So I came out and give myself a walk. And later on there will be some video clips about Indian Oceans and the beauty of it. Hopefully I can go buy something else as a souvenir to bring it back to Bangkok. But later I'll go back to hotel and enjoy my breakfast first. Found out there's a really cool drink. It's called Morning After. Good for hangover and boosting immune system. It's more like a shot. I should try one. Cheers. Okay, so as you guys can see, breakfast stations, there are varieties of food, no matter Oriental, Occidental, Sri Lankan or Europeans. So all type of foods are free to order for your own selection. Right now I will just enjoy this view, but also enjoy my breakfast. So see you guys after breakfast. Guys, so this is the best tuk-tuk driver in Colombo. Yeah, so I'll leave his contact information down in the description box. Make sure you guys contact him when you're here. Hi guys, I just arrived at the airport area, and please be aware of one thing, is that the terminal that you exit in order to get into Sri Lanka is not the departure one, it's a different one. So you have to walk straight to another place. This one would be the departure hall for you to take your flight back to your home country. This is actually a really nice hallway in order to get to your departure area. It looks really nice. Okay, I just got my ticket. So right now I'm heading to the immigration first, and then afterward would be boarding gate. So see you guys later in Bangkok. Hi! I don't even know your name yet.
I'm Ariana.
Okay, Ariana.
Going back to Thailand.
Yeah.
Even Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka.
I can't talk.
Let's see how main course goes. Rice first. Rice. Rice is pretty moist, still with texture. As for chicken curry, whoa, chicken's really tender, really soft. I'll eat it with rice. Let's see. Chicken's recommended. And the veggies, Veggies just bland, yeah, totally bland. Try another one. Yellow pepper. Yeah, bland, soft. Like feels like it's been reheated, so it's been cooked twice. It's just super soft and bland. No flavor, no taste. But chicken is really nice. Chicken, recommended. Alright, this is the end of this video. Please make sure you like, but also you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also in the description box below, you can see my Instagram account and my Facebook account. Please make sure you like and follow them. That's all for today. ขอบคุณครับ